Hello students, so I hope you all are fine out there. So we are ready to start exercise 21C. Okay, we'll start exercise 21C from today onward, but before we proceed on to solve the questions from the exercise 21C, we will first look at the formulas that will be required to solve the questions from this chapter. Okay, so let's see the formula. Number one is all you need to remember is only 3 and the rest 3 will come by itself. Okay, number one is sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Sine 90 degree minus theta is the angle. Okay, sine 90 degree minus 90 is also angle. Sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. And number two, if sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, then cos 90 minus theta equals to obviously sine theta, isn't it? So number 3, tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. If tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta, then number 4, cot 90 minus theta equals to, we know that, isn't it, tan theta. If tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta, then cot 90 minus theta will obviously be tan theta, isn't it? So number 5, sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta. Then number 6, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta. Okay, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta. So if you remember this, this and this, the second one will come automatically. Okay, sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, then cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. If tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, then cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. If sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, then cosec 90 minus theta equals to sine theta. These are the formula that will be required to solve the question from exercise 21C. Okay, so please take the screenshot of this. We will proceed on to make the trigonometrical table. Okay, trigonometrical table is very, very important to solve the questions. Okay, so in the standard 10, you must be able to memorize or able to construct the trigonometrical table by yourself. So I'll teach you and you will never forget this through your life. Okay, let me teach you that. We have 6 trigonometrical identities, isn't it? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. There are 6 trigonometrical identities. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us draw the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec in different angles. Okay, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, so what will be the value of sine 0 degree? We write here. What will be the value of sine 30 degree? We write here. Value of sine 45 degree, we write here. 60 degree here and 90 degree here. Okay, the only thing you need to memorize is the first line and the rest will come by automatically. Okay, come by itself. So what is the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 and sine 90? The first line is needed to be memorized. So let's do that. Sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is half, sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. You can memorize this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, isn't it? You can even remember 10-digit mobile number, then why can't you remember 5 numbers? So sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is half, sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 is 1. So now while writing the values of cos, what we do, cos 0 degree means just you bring this number here 1. Okay, cos 0 degree means 1, this comes here. Cos 30 degree means this comes here, root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 45 degree means now the same thing remains here. Cos 60 means this 1 upon 2 comes here. Are you getting me? Cos 90 degree means this 0 comes here. Okay, are you getting me? Yes. Now to write the value of tan, what we do is, you know that tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, isn't it? We have done this in our previous chapter, exercise 21a and 21b, isn't it? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So to write the value of tan here in the different angles, what we do is we divide simply by sin upon cos. Okay, so tan 0 degree means 0 upon 1, because sin theta is 0, cos theta is 1. Tan 0 degree means 0 upon 1. So 0 upon 1 means, are you getting me? Sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. So 0 upon 1 means 0. If the number in the numerator is 0, then for any number except 0, okay, in the denominator the value will be 0. If the number in the denominator is 0, then the value will not be 0, okay? The value will be undefined. Other than 0, any number in the denominator, if the numerator is 0, the value will be 0, isn't it? So tan 0 degree means 0 upon 1, which means 0. So tan 30 degree means this upon this, isn't it? Because tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2, isn't it? Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We have 1 upon root 3, isn't it? So instead of tan 30 degree, we write 1 upon root 3. Okay, so tan 45 means 1 upon root 2 by 1 upon root 2. Same number divided by same number gives us 1, isn't it? 2 by 2 equals to 1. 5 by 5 equals to 1. 100 by 100 equals to 1. X by x equals to 1, isn't it? Same number divided by the same number is always 1. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. This root 2 and root 2 cancels out. So 1 upon 1 means 1. So now comes here. Tan 60 degree. What will be the value of tan 60 degree? This number divided by this number, isn't it? Tan 60 degree means this divided by this. Sin divided by cos. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 upon 1. Root 3 upon 1 means root 3, because every number has 1 in the denominator. So this is root 3. Now comes tan 90 degree. Tan 90 means sin 90 by cos 90, isn't it? Because tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. Now in the denominator you can see there is 0, isn't it? So if I write any number, even if I write 0, we should understand there is always 1 in the denominator, okay? For any number, if I write 2, you should understand there is 1 in the denominator, okay? And the power of this 2 is 1, okay? And the sign in front of this, if not mentioned, is plus, isn't it? So if I write even 0, we should understand there is 1 in the denominator. But if there is 0 in the denominator, then the value will be undefined. undefined, undefined, which means the value will be infinite, okay? The value of tan 90 degree will be 1 upon 0. 0 means undefined, because in the denominator comes the number 0. So what will be the value of cot 0 degree? Cot 0 degree. Cot means, let me explain this. Cot means the opposite of tan, isn't it? Cot means the opposite of tan. Or you can write cos theta by sin theta also. But I write cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta, opposite of tan theta, isn't it? Or you can use this also, it gives the same result. Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Whichever you use, the result is same, okay? So what will be the value of cot 0 degree here? So you can see there is 0 here, which means there is 1 in the denominator of 0. Because even if I write 0, we should understand there is always 1 in the denominator, isn't it? So there is 1 in the denominator of this 0. So cot means just the opposite of tan. So cot tan 0 degree is 0. 0 upon 1, isn't it? 0 means 0 upon 1. So cot means 1 goes to the numerator and 0 comes down to the denominator. So 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 means 0 is in the denominator. This means the value is undefined, okay? Undefined. Are you getting me? I hope so. Now let's check from this. From the above relation, cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. So cot 0 degree means cos theta by sin theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is 1 and sin theta is 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means there is 0 in the denominator, means undefined, isn't it? So the value of cot 0 degree is undefined. Now let us write the value of cot 30 degree. Cot 30 means just the opposite of tan, isn't it? This root 3 goes to the numerator, 1 comes down to the denominator. Root 3 upon 1 means root 3. You can check from here also, okay? Cos upon sine. Let's see. Root 3 by 2 upon sine is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So root 3 upon 1 means root 3. Isn't it? Are you getting me? Yes. Now cot 45 degree. So you can see here 1. 1 means there is 1 in the denominator. If you see any number and there is no number in the denominator, then we should understand there is always 1 in the denominator, isn't it? So 1 means there is 1 upon 1. 1 is in the denominator. So cot means just the opposite of tan. The number from the denominator goes to the numerator and the number from the numerator comes down to the denominator. So 1 upon 1 means this one goes to the numerator and this one comes down to the denominator. 1 upon 1, isn't it? So 1 upon 1 means 1 itself. So this is 1. Let's check from here. Cot 45 degree, 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 gives us 1. So no need to check. Now let us move on to the next one. Cot 60 degree. Cot 60 means just the opposite of tan, isn't it? Here we have root 3 means there is 1 in the denominator. So this 1 goes to the numerator and this root 3 comes down to the denominator. Okay. So root 3 upon 1 means 1 by root 3. Let's check from here. Cot 60 means cos upon sine. So cos is 1 upon 2. Upon sine is root 3 by 2. Isn't it? So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 1 upon root 3. Okay. Okay. Cot 90 degree. Cot 90 is cos by sine, isn't it? What is cos? Cos is 0 upon sine is 1. So 0 upon 1 means 0 because there is 1 in the denominator, 0. Okay. Now let us move to the sec. Sec means just the opposite of cos. Sec theta is opposite of cos theta, isn't it? Cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta. We know this formula. And sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. So they are the reciprocal of each other. So sec theta means just the opposite of cos. Here we have 1. So there is 1 in the denominator. That number from the denominator 1 goes to the numerator and this 1 from the numerator comes down to the denominator. As a result, the result does not change. 1 upon 1 means 1 itself, isn't it? So let's check this. 30 degree, sec 30 degree. So just the opposite of cos is sec. So this 2 goes up in the numerator and this root 3 comes down to the denominator. Okay. Here this root 2 goes up and this 1 comes down to the denominator. So root 2 upon 1. Root 2 upon 1 means root 2, isn't it? Root 2 upon 1 means root 2 because we don't need to write 1 in the denominator. It is already understood. So here sec 60. Sec 60 means 2 goes to the numerator, 1 comes down to the denominator. So 2 upon 1 means 2. We do not need to write 1 in the denominator. So here sec this, the opposite of cos, we have 0, isn't it? So 0 means 0 upon 1. So 1 goes to the numerator, 0 comes down to the denominator. This 1 goes to the numerator and 0 comes down to the denominator. So 1 upon 0 means 1 upon 0 is undefined, isn't it? Because 0 should not be in the denominator. So this is undefined. Undefined, okay? Undefined. Now let us write the value of cosec. Cosec is just the opposite of sine. So here we can see 0. So 0 means there is 1 in the denominator. 1 in the denominator of 0. 1 goes to the numerator and 0 comes down to the denominator. Sine and cosec are the opposite of each other, isn't it? We know this. Sine theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. And cosec theta equals to 1 upon sine theta. So this 1 goes to the numerator and this 0 comes down to the denominator. So 1 upon 0 means undefined. Undefined. Okay. Now here, what is the value of cosec 30 degree? Just the opposite of sine. So 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 means 2. What is the value of cosec 45 degree? This root 2 goes to the numerator, 1 comes down to the denominator, that is root 2. Here 2 goes to the numerator and root 3 comes down to the denominator, 2 upon root 3. And here we have 1. So 1 means 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 means 1, isn't it? 1 upon 1. This goes to the numerator and this number comes down to the denominator. 1 upon 1 means 1 upon 1. That is 1, isn't it? So I hope you understood the concept, how this table is prepared. Okay, now the thing that we need to know is, we need to know the value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec for the different angles. Okay, for the different angles while solving the problems from the exercise. Okay, so can you remember these numbers? If you cannot remember this, you just practice drawing this table again and again, and after a few practices you will be able to remember all the numbers by itself. Okay, no, so let's begin to solve the exercise 21C, questions of the exercise 21C. Okay, now let's start solving the questions from exercise 21C. Okay, we'll start from question number 1 itself, and in the question number 1 we have tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. This is in the left hand side and we are asked to prove this is equal to 1. So let's do this. LHS equals to, LHS means left hand side, isn't it? Tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree. This is what we have in the left hand side. So instead of this 10, can I write 90 minus 80? 90 minus 80 gives us 10, isn't it? 90 minus 80 means 10. So instead of this 10 degree, I can write tan 90 minus 80. Okay, this 10 means 90 minus 80. Why am I doing this? Because I can see tan 80 degree here, isn't it? So let's do this. Into, there is no sign, means obviously there is into sign, multiplication sign. Okay, tan 15. Tan 15 can be written as tan 90 minus 75, isn't it? Because 90 minus 75 gives us 15. 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes 8. 8 minus 7 is 1, isn't it? So tan 90 minus 75 is tan 15. So instead of tan 15, I can write tan 90 minus 75. So I copy this as it is. Okay, tan 75 into tan 80. Tan 75 into tan 80 degree. So tan 90 minus theta, we have seen the formula, isn't it? Tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. isn't it? Tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So you can see tan 90 minus theta. Theta is 80 degree, okay? Angle. Tan 90 minus 80. That is tan 90 minus theta. It's cot theta. Cot theta. Theta is 80. Isn't it? So here we have tan 90 minus theta. Here theta is 75. So tan 90 minus 75 means theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot 75, isn't it? Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta and theta is 75 here. So this tan 75 into tan 80. So cot 80 and tan 80 means, let me write these two together, okay, to make you understand better. Cot 80 degree into tan 80 degree into cot 75, this is cot, okay, cot 75 into tan 75, isn't it? Cot 80 is this cot 80, this tan 80 is this tan 80, cot 75, tan 75, tan 75. Okay, nothing is left, isn't it? Since you know that tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta, because tan and cot are the just reciprocal of each other. So let us cross multiply this. Tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta gives us 1. Tan theta into cot theta means 1, isn't it? So theta is 80, isn't it? The angles are same. So cot theta into tan theta is 1. Are you getting me? Yes. If this is 80 and if this is some other angle, you cannot write something is equals to 1, okay? The angles should be same. Tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Tan theta into cot beta is not equal to 1. Please keep this in mind. Angles, if angles are different, then tan some angle into cot some other angle, it's not equal to 1. If the angles are same, then tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. So here angle is 80 in both the cases. So cot theta into tan theta means 1. This is into, isn't it? Into multiplied. Cot 75 into tan 75. Same thing, angles are same. 75, 75. Cot 75 into tan 75 is 1. So 1 into 1 means 1. This is what we have in the right hand side, equals to RHS. Hence proved. So here we have question number 2 of 1. Sin 42 degree into sec 48 degree plus cos 42 degree into cosec 48 degree equals to 2. We are asked to prove this equals to 2. Okay. So let's begin. LHS equals to sin 42 degree into sec 48 degree plus cos 42 degree cosec 48 degree, isn't it? So sin 42 means sin 90 minus 48, isn't it? 90 minus 48 gives us 42. 90 minus 48, 10 minus 8 is 2, this becomes 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, isn't it? So instead of this 42, I write sin 90 minus 48, okay? So sec 48 I copy as it is, sec 48 plus cos 42 means cos 90 minus 48. Cos 90 minus 48, 90 minus 48 is 42. So this cos is this cos, cos is cos, 42 means 90 minus 48. So this is cosec 48, I copy as it is, cosec 48 degree. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, isn't it? We know this formula. Sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta, isn't it? So sin 90 minus theta, theta is 48, isn't it? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. cos 48 into sec 48 plus cos 90 minus theta. Here theta is 48, okay. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin 48 into cosec 48, cosec 48. Now you know that sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta, isn't it? Sin theta and cosec theta are the reciprocal of each other, cosec theta. So let's cross multiply this, sin theta into cosec theta, sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. This and this multiplies, sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Similarly, cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, isn't it? So let us cross multiply this, cos theta and sec theta. Cos theta into sec theta equals to, we have 1 in the right hand side. So here theta is same, okay, angles should be same. If the angles are different, then the result will not be 1. Please keep this in mind. 48 and 48 angles are same, so cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta is 1, isn't it? So cos theta into sec theta is 1 plus here sin theta into cosec theta, sin theta into cosec theta is 1, isn't it? So sin theta, theta is 48, sin theta into cosec theta 48, isn't it, equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This is what we have in the RHS, equals to RHS, hence proved. So let us do question number 3, okay? Okay, now let us do question number 3 of 1, okay? We have sin 26 upon sec 64 plus cos 26 upon cosec 64 in the left hand side, and we are asked to prove this equals to 1. So we know that cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, isn't it? And sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. If sec theta is taken to the numerator, it becomes cos theta. Similarly, if cosec theta is taken to the numerator, it becomes sin theta, because cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal of each other, and sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other, isn't it? So let's do this. LHS. LHS equals to, in left hand side we have sin 26 degree upon sec 64 degree plus cosec, it's not cosec, cos 26 degree upon cosec 64, cosec 64 degree. So this is what we have in the left hand side. Now let us take this sec 64 to the numerator. If sec theta is taken to the numerator, it becomes cos theta, isn't it? Angle will remain same, theta will remain same, theta. Only the sec will change to cos. Sec theta when taken to the numerator becomes cos theta. Similarly, sin 26 is already in the numerator, we copy as it is, sin 26, sin 26. Sec theta when taken to the numerator becomes cos theta. So theta is 64. So cos 64, okay, plus cos 26 is already in the numerator, cos 26, isn't it? Cos 26 degree. So cosec 64 when taken to the numerator, cosec theta when taken to the numerator becomes sin theta. Theta is 64, so theta should not change. Cosec theta goes to the numerator and becomes sin theta. Theta is 64. Are you getting me? Yes. So here we have sin 26, we copy as it is. Cos 64 means cos is cos, we write cos as it is. Here we have multiplication sign, okay? Cos, this cos. 64, instead of 64 I can write 90 minus 26, because 90 minus 26 gives us 64. 90 minus 26, 10 minus 6 is 4, this becomes 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, isn't it? So this cos is this cos, 64 means 90 minus 26, so plus comes here. Cos 26 we copy as it is, cos 26 degree. So sin we copy as it is. Now 64 means 90 minus 26, isn't it? 90 minus 26 gives us 64. 10 minus 6 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, okay? So we have sin 26 degree here, sin 26 into, there is no sign means into, okay? I write dot here, cos cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta, isn't it? And sin 90 minus theta, this is 90, okay, equals to cos theta. We know this formula, isn't it? So this sin 26 is sin 26, so cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. And what is theta here? Theta is 26. Oh, 26, not 6, 26, okay? 26 plus cos 26, we already have cos 26. And sin 90 minus theta is, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is this. So here theta we have this 26. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta is 26. Theta is 26, isn't it? Theta means actually angle, okay? So here we have sin 26 into sin 26, same number, a into a becomes a square, isn't it? A into a is a square. So sin 26 into sin 26, sin square 26 plus cos 26 into cos 26, cos 26 into cos 26, cos square 26. Now we have the angle same 26, here also 26. This can be assumed as theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, isn't it? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. We know this formula, we have learned in exercise 21a and 21b, isn't it? So we are asked to prove this equals to 1 and we have 1 equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay? Okay, this was for today, okay? We'll continue this chapter in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.